Welcome back everybody. So we are going to continue our quest to find the best cookie recipe ever. After making the recipe of Nigella Lawson and the one of Claire Saffitz, today we're going to be making the recipe from Cupcake Jemma. So let's dive right in.
Start by roasting 100 grams of walnuts, hazelnuts, pecans, or a mix of them for 5 minutes in a 170 degrees C oven. While they are still hot, rub them to remove loosely the skin. Mix 230 grams of cold butter with 160 grams of caster sugar and 160 grams of soft light brown sugar. You do not need to cream the butter, just combine the butter and the sugar together. No need to make the butter pale or fluffy. Add the nuts and 400 grams of milk chocolate and combine. Now let's add the flour. We use two types of flour here, 200 grams of self-raising flour and 300 grams of plain flour, to which we've added 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of bicarb of soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix for about 20 to 30 seconds. As you can see, we should achieve a sand-like texture. At this stage, now mix in 2 large eggs until the dough comes together and pull away from the sides of the bowl. Once again, it shouldn't take too long, just about 30 seconds. Now it's time to form our cookie balls. Measure out 125 grams of cookie dough to form it into a cookie ball. Clump the dough together and place it on a tray. Continue with the rest of the dough until you've finished it all, and then place the tray in the freezer for one night.
So I preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I'm going to now take out the baking tray. It's going to be very hot, and then we're going to place our cookies on it. We want to do it because we want a really crispy shell. So I'm placing the cookies well separated because they are going to spread. Okay, let's pop these in the oven for about 17 minutes. Okay, so now these cookies have been resting for about 5 minutes and they look great, they look amazing. We can see the nuts, we can see the chocolate. It really looks delicious. So they should be kind of gooey inside and crispy outside. Look at that. That chocolate is delicious. I love the fact that it's still warm. Yeah, just gooey. So go ahead, make these. They're amazing. Honestly, for now I think these are probably the best one. See you guys next time, and like and subscribe. Bye.